Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription in just 7 simple steps. Let's get started. First, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. This will open up your account menu. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, find and select Premium Features to access your subscription settings. This brings you to your Premium account and features dashboard. Look for the Manage Subscription section, where you can control your billing options. Now click on Purchases to view all your active subscriptions and billing details. Here you'll see your active subscriptions listed. Go ahead and click on Sales Navigator Core to manage this specific subscription. You should see an option to cancel. Click Cancel Free Trial to begin the cancellation process. Finally, confirm that you want to proceed by clicking Continue to Cancel. Don't worry, you'll still have access to all your premium benefits through the end of your current billing cycle. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully canceled your LinkedIn Premium subscription. If you ever need to manage your account again, just follow these same steps.